Hi guys, welcome back to Crystal Cleans. Today's video is going to be another decluttering video, and this is number 2 in the series, and we are doing this little linen closet. And we first have to go to Home Depot because I need to get some spray paint for these little organizer things that I got from the dollar store. Where are we going? Oh no, we're gonna crash. Turn, hurry, turn. So this is the color that I chose. It's the Satin Espresso, and as you can see, this is the ugly green that they were, and I really just didn't want to use anything this bright in that little tiny space. I wanted something a little more subdued, and so we went with this dark brown. So now I'm just going to start by taking everything out of the closet so I have a clean slate to work with. And now I'm just going to use this Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and this is in one of the new fall scents, and it's apple cider, and I'm just so in love with this scent right now. It smells like a really good fall candle. And now I'm just going to go through all these sheets and pillowcases and keep the ones that we use regularly and donate the ones that we don't. And now I'm just going to put the ones that we're donating into a bag and set those to the side. Then I will fold all the sheets and pillowcases that we are going to keep. And as I was folding these, I noticed that there was a hole in them, so I just went ahead and put those to the side to either get rid of or just put out in the garage for just like a drop cloth or something. And now I'm just going to go through all these bins that I had in there and just get rid of all the stuff that's expired and stuff that we don't use, and keep the stuff that we do use and put that off to the side so that I could organize them later in the little bins.
Go through the night. We won't give up.
So this is a bag full of trash, and this is a bag for donations. And now I'm just going to start putting everything back into its new place.
'cause we are the dreamers, united forever, together much better, to go through the night.
So now this bin is just some of the miscellaneous things. This is our overnight toiletry bag. These are our sheets, some extra washcloths, and now this is kind of like for my extra things. This is just first aid and band-aids. This is the kids stuff, Chris's extra things, and just like household extra stuff. It's so nice now to be able to see actually like what we have and what we need. So there's our towels. I actually have space now for extra wipes and diapers. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you next time.